Hello friends, this is Shipra Agarwal from Tutors.com. So today we are going to learn about microorganism friend or foe. So in this session we are going to learn about microorganism. Then we are going to learn about how microorganisms act as a friend to us. So before proceeding with your lesson, let's try some pre-assessment questions. So you can pause this video and try these questions. So these are the answers for your pre-assessment questions. So if you find your answers correct, very well done. Let's continue. So what do you mean by microorganism? Microorganism is being made up with two words. As you can see, micro and organism. Micro means things that are really small that you can't see with your naked eyes. So microorganism are the organisms that you can see with the help of microscopes only, and we also name it as microbes. So these are various kinds of microorganisms we find in the environment that can cause us diseases and that can be helpful as well. So both types of microorganisms we found in our environment. Let's learn more about them. So first of all, what are the types of microorganisms? So here we have 5 types of microorganisms. The first is bacteria, then is fungi, third is protozoa, next is algae, and the last is virus. So bacteria, algae, protozoa are all single cell microorganisms. That means they have only single cell, while the fungi are multicellular. It means they have more than one cells. So let's learn more about them. So here first of all we have a bacteria. So bacteria are prokaryotic unicellular microorganisms that lack chlorophyll pigments. And for example, we have a lactobacillus that lives in the intestine, which help in us digestion. So that's a beneficial friend of bacteria. Then next we have a protozoa that are eukaryotic unicellular organisms which lack cell wall. So Plasmodium, for example, causes malaria. So that's a foe for us. Then we have a fungus. They are eukaryotic heterotrophic microorganisms that fail to show any cellular differentiation into true tissues. So here we have a vascular system is absent, and yeast and mushroom are two examples for them. Then we have the last is algae. They are eukaryotic heterotrophic microorganisms that fail to show any cellular differentiation. And here also the vascular system is absent. Now, the next we have as a virus. They are the small infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of other organisms. So if you have a cold or if you have a chicken pox, a cold sores, that means you have got the virus of some other person into your body. So that is causing a disease, and we can have serious problems as well, like Ebola virus and AIDS. So that's are the serious diseases that are caused by the virus. So next we have the habitat of microorganisms. So microorganisms can live in any kind of environment. They can have in the ice cold, so either it's a winter or a summer. You can have the microorganism in any environment. So they can live inside the body of animal and humans. Both of them can have the microorganism. Then we have a microorganism can reside in any type of land, like as a humid land or in the deserts. So you can find them in every kind of environment, every kind of season. Okay. Now, microorganisms how act as a friend to us. As we know that bread or curd is been made using the bacteria only, like lactobacillus bacteria helps in the formation of a curd that we used to have in day-to-day life. So that's one of the best example that shows that microorganisms act as a friend to us. And then to preparation of the medicines, we use the microorganisms to have the antibiotics like streptomycin, tetracycline, azithromycin. So they are really helpful in treating our diseases as well. Then microorganisms are also used in making the alcohol as they are being fermented to make a alcohol. Then we have a cleansing microbes as well that fix our biological nitrogen. So we doesn't have the much nitrogen in the environment. They increase the soil fertility as well. That's how they are so useful to us. So we have to take care of the microorganism as well. Now, how they are helpful with a vaccination, or how we can fight against the harmful microorganisms using the vaccination. So vaccination is a biological preparation that improves immunity to a particular disease. Vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles a disease causing microorganism. So, if you fall ill, our body produces antibiotics to fight that disease. Similarly, vaccines also work. So, if you have any disease like hepatitis, cholera, tuberculosis can be prevented using the vaccination. So, do take care of yourself and timely take your vaccination. So, now we have some practice question after completing our lesson. So, you can pause this video and try these questions. So now there we have the answers for your practice question. You can check with your answers. I hope you have done a great job in trying all these questions and working out with the video. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and for more videos just log into justtutor.com. Thank you.